Mami mo akwaba emfa obra GCN page so meeting ede adwa search. Mr. Subscribe to my channel. Found some ya bell on so. Ube your notification. And some echoes who may be obenyɛ bi atie. And na se obenyɛ bi share e wo GCN page ha. Adwa search meji sendia. Na ye Ghana o may nsem ene de ebro titru ha. Efa politics ho ne de ebro na Fellamakafu and Okase. The sis Frimpon and Sister Coast, Mammy Sadiano, Aboa, Autonomo, and now Okase. Now, Fellamakafu, are you ready? So, best supporting a government, you know. In Pempin, yako social media, yehu say a mouthful or more with tissue power, more mono. Upu are aware we're not in a bad at the fame because a hospital corner power no beds, and yet enough a walk on them. Ubu ho yare, now or that plastic chain, no more money drip. Eba out a Ghana fu bebre e complaining. Na most at times you know celebrities you know e no mo posting e wo mo pages a mo e ka say the etia government no mo posting so a Ghana fon so mo replies and na wo so a wo post na den e na wo ye e de aboa government because enye bibia e na government no ebetimi aye na adofo ma hwe video we kakra adofo ye hu video ya e twegui e wo video mo hwe ye e mo fra mo etifema omo etro esua de neno e na Fellamakafu e comment was say ohia direction no bebia yekro fa ko ne wono na kire say waboa omo a mofa na egufema esua ade na yenti ensema Fela e kan e wo video na so kire say can someone help me with the region I kire say region chrono either eastern region, western region, Ashanti region, whatever omo eman location no I think say she wants to help na che say bibia aye fine sa ene ya me ehwehwe because ye de ani eto government no so Ghana for ye bedi ye dokuhunu nye bibia na government obetumi ombetumi aye bibia but nya de a omo ebeye entine se nya me eto unsem na se wo hwe na onua ho ehkire na obetumi aboa of course celebrities Ghana celebrities bebro mo ya de papa yehu bet omo donate titru pa eyem yakasa new woman back up beauty with brain eye efia pokia oya de papa ubehu no paint school down na oto nkondwa koche schools na de ade omo eya de nti Fellamakafu so e kire se sa mo fe omo gufemi a omo ebrain osre wa unim location na say regional ubetumi alert no na kire se wetimi akwakoboa na bibia aye fine so my Ghana ye boaboa ye ho ye nim se mbre pem no bibia so ebe ye fine say social media me the pass social media ya be ebe na Ghana fo mpenefo omo ehu omo left and right the omo ya enye no na omo aboa o my Ghana
na de ku me kura na esi edu nketea oh don't worry brother that means me ni so na me dey me so dey me nyankopon de ma me no say bia bia commitment be kakra all right, Charlie, let's get to serious business. Some confo we no udi omo echi a de bia obe nipa bone. Now, let me move to Sami Jemfi. Hey, Minia, we NDC new, we MPP new. Let me tell you something. So we leader, odi wenim. So one can okra, lead the whole party astray. The American. So we leader only do so on no kwafo so on fa dignity so on fa no kure enye na dwuma de bia no ede anum guase kese ebre party no adan na make sa mu ko say mu ko yi executives kakre samwane hwan mu ni na we anas papa ne say na friend no yeah I believe that's his name NDC ni mind be no all those guys were there they chose look at Akokko Addo. They chose to bend Akokko Addo. And who did they choose to use? Esiedun Ketia, Adentia, cause all he profused is propaganda. NDC, enye party ya jene se sebe imprediasan, ye beye bibi. Okay? Ye beye bibi edi abo man no. Debi. NDC di ane se ye petumi, ye pese hu se ye ne yetiso. What the mom swa? What the tumi ne mom swa? Ye ntumi hwe so. Na yekoyi Sami Jemfi. I will confess here. Me na minim Sami Jemfi. To be honest with you. and some okoye sa election no, the only communicators of NDC and minim was Ameto Kwame, Fred Agbenyo, Kudedu Asare, sometimes Sa Papa will refer to Sam George. Like it was some people, and then minim say omoye communicators. To be honest, I didn't know anything about Sammy Jenfi, but this was why I was happy about the appointment of Sammy Jenfi. I was happy about Sammy Jenfi because when he said, "Hey, young boy, and I yet to me a man of big positions, I know." Then this is the time for we the youth, because or call akoti enim, or be ye adi any different. If you see, don't get the animal propaganda this way or the year party no. Where a new guy, Matekuraso say or sign your lawyer, into or be bring a new fresh air into the whole front row of NDC. Akwa be the first press conference a bomb. The first press conference, Sammy Jenfi be ye. He lost his credibility. Yes, we ni mu a wo bisa na ya kire wo. Wo ni mu a wo bisa na ya kire wo. Oh, and an Akoffo Addo. Only Ghana, but one country parliament. Akokwa, chokrodo, because that time no person relevant here in the forefront. And you go raise the issue. Na party for no say, Same, comrade. Na Same, uko jina ho, etwa antro. Ko jina ho, ko twa antro. Say Akoffo Addo ankra. And a wow had na iduru su jina parliament catch was a your trophy because papa ne kon ne elect near kind of parliament. And no answer why. And I was starting say who di chairman general tem di no hoko konsa eye Kwame Sifakai. Was starting say who di na tem na was starting say we boys ne ko ho no mo kokasa mo mpene ma no kura na mo kofa asa stupid erikeje no buni ni erikeje jimi ni boy bi no na ni say yi apotroka wono mukofa no say anytime bi obeba chairman general ho bia no onye gidigidi on che danye se ni se no yes fe na wo Sammy Jenfi you pivoted your own communicators against chairman general eye Kwame Sifakai kodin tro na papa no kochi one time no say asemo a wakoka afa me ho no enye no krenti Sammy kotwesan and now we are hukokoti oh chairman general but we cannot use this platform what bodam that is his platform. That Kokroko show belongs to Kwame Sifakai. So what he choose to do on that platform is what he choose to do. And yes, idea, ya be boycott. Na NDC for papa mpenifu amote ho. Mo pe mo party ni ya. Mo pe JM ya. Mo nim how big Peace FM is and how far Peace FM travels. Matias ya ma small boy we say, ma communicate bi anko Kokroko so. Na mpa ma anko ankoton mu dreams. Man kotomo candidate Okokroko so. The prestigious morning show. I don't care what somebody is doing on their own. But Kokroko, Kokroko, everybody was listening to that. Moko swaswa bola bets bedi ho na mo de kan mo to say mo to ade left and right center e de chairman general. Ene e pamo mo. Sammy Jenfi wan fair no n2 ho for. As a young boy, as a young guy who one day wants to become somebody in this country, you did not look at your first 2 missteps now. Why you need to reassess? If you understand this, I will to 12. To my name, yeah, president saying a nepotism and a nepotism. First, look of 54 names nearby. Yeah, the names nearby. I feel the names 54 no, I got 24. I feel 24 no see a woman cries in sense. Same pono, so yena busi any cry or nena co school down there, and you nimono. Woodman Crawford, and Mahama co school, and no many chief executives, and Mahama Mumudi. Tina Ghana Bokano. Or no Nebusia for no, one former question Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Wayo, no way to make you mo. Or the almost share baby, your mom driver, mom car, mom fuel, mom be chief executives for. Chief executives for. And I'm a hammer bushing for, okay, come on, share. Into me, member, Gina, never may you say, and who name what is happening. Here, Mamma Cherobi say, would you concern a Buddha if you are on our home? A B and I got to NDC for you. Sammy Jenfi call so ye yam penny for. Me say sometime, me say, some way another be America. Here, say, oh, hello, Brian, I come and patch on me, baby, Frozen here. se wote ho wo abruchire na se wote se Sami Gyamfi kasa wo radio so a hwe me ka me kire wo se unyo obi a we smart obedwene se entokwa si Ghana na se na Akoffo Addo asai Ghana na kura yesi asai no na Akoffo Addo a wase